I want to talk about the stink solution that the brand sent me to do a video on. I'm very happy that today I'm not making a demonstration video because this is definitely something you want to have before you need it. This right here, if you have a pup like mine, my buddy Charlie right here, have been sprayed by a skunk, you're definitely going to have this on hand before you need it. If your dog has ever been sprayed by a skunk, you already know regular shampoo just doesn't cut it. I've tried it before. It is absolutely not fun. This is the Stink Solution Skunk Odor Eliminator Kit. It's designed to specifically remove skunk smell fast and completely, not just cover it up. What makes this stand out is a two-in-one system, so you're tackling the odor from start to finish. First, you've got a 16-ounce bath booster, which you use during the bath time to break down and neutralize that deep, stubborn skunk odor at the source. Then you follow up with a 16-ounce deodorizing spray, which is perfect for the finishing touches and for areas like your dog's fur after drying, furniture and bedding, car interiors, or pretty much anywhere that smell might linger. If it's happened to you before, you know it could be anywhere in your home. So instead of just washing your dog and hoping for the best, using a complete odor removal system. Another big plus is that it's natural and pet safe. It's non-toxic and gentle on your dog's skin and coat, but still strong enough to handle even the intense skunk sprays. And it's not just for pets. You can use this as a multi-purpose odor eliminator around your home, which is a huge thing because skunk smell can spread anywhere in your home. Plus, it leaves behind a light pomegranate scent. So instead of that harsh chemical smell, you get something fresh and clean. If you've ever dealt with skunk odor before, you know how hard it is to fully get rid of it. This is designed to eliminate it quickly, safely, and completely so your dog can get back to normal as fast as he can. And this is definitely something you want to buy before you need it. I have this here, and hopefully I never need to use this product, but I'll be glad to have it if I do. If you'd like to have some for your pup, click on the link in the description below.